My nephew did the first stage. Come over here and let's show him what you did. So you did all these sanding in here. Got her pretty much first coat. Got all that black paint that was peeling off. Now we're going second page. We're doing a little bit of buffing and smoothing it out. All right, so here we go. Start right here where it's more, still got a little rust going on. Stepping on the hose. We're getting these bad boy all nice and smooth right in here. Just like that. Clean it up. Sanding all of these, you know, it's got all this nasty stuff on. Get that off. Get all this thing nice smooth out. Using the 180 sandpaper. Oops, this kind of got bent, so peel that off. Doing the 180. Alright, can you give me another one from there?
Where?
Woo! Yep.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's got the supercharge on. Got the nice sticky, put it in, 180. Still got a little bit over here. You can see all that rust still coming through there. That's got to come out. And we're doing it in the 57 Chevy. There you go. We're thinking of putting this new mirror here. Something like that. It's gonna look kind of sweet. You know, ready for the race. So, something to think about, right?
Yeah.
I'm doing the easy part. Adrian did the harder work. Lost that one too. Alright, so kind of got the idea, right? Alright, we'll see you guys later.